The Find and Replace window can be used to find or replace text strings in GPL programs. You can access the Find and Replace window under the Controller pull-down menu. You can enter text in the Find What text box and click the Find All button to locate based on the look-in setting just below the text field. Any results from a find operation are displayed in the Find Results window. You can double-click on a result in the Find Results window to navigate to the file and line where the text was found. You can also replace text by changing the Find option to Replace in the combo box at the top of the Find and Replace window. You can enter the new text in the Replace text box. Click on the Replace All button to run the Find and Replace operation. Any files changed will be opened in the application so you can review the changes before saving. When finding text, you can use options like Match Case to refine how it searches for text. You can change where the search is performed by modifying the selection of the Look-in combo box. For example, you can search in the active document, the active project, or all projects in memory, on the controller flash, or on the local PC. The first time you run a search operation in all of memory, the flash drive, or the local hard drive, the operation will take time because it will cache information. But after the first operation, subsequent searches will be much faster. If you want to navigate through each search result individually, you can use the Search Next button to move through one result at a time.